Hi, everybody. Welcome to Business 105, Introduction to Business. I am so excited to take this journey with you down this business path of education. It's going to be a fun ride for all of us. Learning at Bryan University takes place in a lot of different ways. One way is through Learnits. You will have Learnits to work through each and every week of this 8-week course. Start them on a computer. You can work on them on your phone if you have a smartphone, but always go to a computer once in a while so that our grades and grade books sync up. You will have a book. Make sure you register for Bookshelf and read your book every week. You will also have assignments to do in this course. Almost every week there will be an assignment due, so pay attention to due dates and topics and instructions. Reach out to me or an academic consultant if you have any questions or need any help with your assignment, Learnits, computers, whatever you need. We are here for you. In addition, we have our social media community, which we call Yellow Dig. Each week, I will post sparks for you to respond to awaken thought, allow you to think outside the box, and to connect with other students in our class. It is highly likely that you and I and everyone else in this class will be together for at least 3 classes, maybe even more. So let's get to know each other right away and learn expectations we can expect from each other. It'll make our learning journey, both yours and mine, very, very effective and fruitful. I so look forward to seeing you at our first live session on Tuesday. Check the link under web meeting in your course for the exact day and time and the link to our Zoom meeting. I'll see you then.